First, open Veo AI through the supported Google AI video generation interface. To extend AI videos, start by choosing the video clip you want to continue. Make sure the existing clip has a clear ending that can naturally lead into another scene. Next, use the available video extension or continuation workflow in Veo AI, depending on the current interface and model features. When creating the extension, describe what should happen immediately after the original clip ends. Avoid completely changing the character, environment, or visual style unless that change is intentional. For example, if the original video ends with a character walking toward a futuristic building, you can describe the character continuing forward, reaching the entrance, and slowly opening the door while maintaining the same cinematic atmosphere. Pay close attention to continuity. Keep the character's appearance, clothing, location, lighting, colors, and overall visual style consistent with the original clip. If the camera was moving in a particular direction, describe a continuation of that movement rather than suddenly changing direction. Generate the extended section and compare it with the ending of the original video. Check for changes in the character, background, objects, lighting, and camera movement. If the transition looks unnatural, adjust the prompt and try again. You can also plan several short extensions instead of trying to create a very long continuation in one step. This gives you more control over the story and makes it easier to correct individual sections. Once the extended clips look consistent, combine them with the original footage in a video editor.